In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to change the default card on Apple Pay. So it's very simple to do, just pay close attention to ensure you get it correct. So the first thing we need to do is open up our settings on our iPhone, just like I've done here. And then we need to scroll down until we see the Wallet and Apple Pay section. You want to go ahead and click on that. Once you click on it, you should be shown all of your payment cards. And you can add a card, remove a card, but what we need to do from here is scroll down a little bit further on the page until we see a certain section. So what you'll see here is a thing that says default card, and it will tell you the default card that you're using right now. So to change it, you want to go ahead and click into that section here, and that should open up into all of the different cards available to put as your default. So what you need to do from here is go ahead, find the card that you now want as your new default card, select it, and that should go ahead and make it the default card for your Apple Pay. The other card will still be available, but you'll have to go and select to it when you turn on Apple Pay. But it's really as simple as that to go ahead and do. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.